heading home now. I got just to finish everything. So I'm going to do some scalloped potatoes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it's a busy day today. This week my boss most likely will be coming in the office to going through some stuff, so I have like some things to put together in order for that meeting when she comes. Most likely it will be Wednesday or Thursday. So when she comes in the office, that will be also a long session. So what I'm about to do today is just go through my agenda for today, what I need to do, what I need to put out. First, I need we launched this new real estate training, so we did that, and one person did finalize the training and they have to issue their certificate, which is a good thing. And I totally forgot to bring something that was important from home. But anyhow, that is it. That is what I'm going to do today. It will be a long day because I don't foresee that I will be leaving here like really late. If I get everything done in time and there's no disruptions, like no one calls me and requests me to do certain things for them, then it will be smooth sailing. If not, most likely I will be here late. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm heading home now. I got just to finish everything that I wanted to do. It's around after 3. There was a lot of rain, so I'm going to head home now before the rain falls again. I'm just going to close up and head home. I'm just going to rest this evening, so it will be tomorrow. I will catch you. So we'll see. Bye. Hi guys, it's the next day and I worked from home today, and what I'm going to do, it's in the night, it's like around 8 o'clock, so I have to get not breakfast, I have to have lunch tomorrow, so, and I don't want to purchase anything out, so I'm going to do some scalloped potatoes and also some baked chicken and some red beans. So that's what I'm going to do today. Well, not today, tonight. And hopefully I could finish it within 2 hours or less. It shouldn't be long. And I'm hoping that it shouldn't be long.